party. Okay, dears. Now we are going to know about traffic light rules and regulations. Okay, dear. Okay. In traffic light, how many colors you are seeing? How many lights are there? Red, yellow, green. Red color says stop. Yellow color says ready. Green color says go. You should obey the traffic lights. Okay, come let's see the traffic rules. What is this? Simple, no parking. You should not park any vehicle in this board, okay? In front of this board, okay? You should not park any vehicle here, okay? Then this one is zebra crossing. What is this?
Zebra crossing.
In zebra crossing only you have to cross the road. This is the zebra crossing. While vehicle is coming now, you have to stop and you have to cross the road and where? Zebra crossing. You should not cross the road here. You should cross the road in zebra crossing only, okay dears? Okay. Then what is this? Parking. You have to park the vehicle. You should park your vehicle in front of this symbol only, okay? If V is there, you should park your car, bike, anything, okay? Then this is school zone. What is this?
School zone.
Okay. If the symbol is there now, if you are going in car, bike, you should go slow because that is school. Some students will walk, okay? Some students will go to school. So you should go slow in the school zone, okay? Okay. If this symbol is there now, you should turn right. If symbol is there now, you should turn right. Okay. Then what is the symbol there?
Speed
breaker. What is the symbol?
Speed breaker.
You have to watch. If speed breaker is there now, you have to go slow. Okay. If speed breaker is there now, you have to go slow. Okay. Then this is arrow mark. Left arrow. If this arrow is there now, you have to go left side. Okay. Then don't use mobile phone. You have not use mobile phone while driving. Okay. You should not use mobile phone while driving. Then who is he? He is the traffic police. Who is he? He is the traffic police. You should obey the traffic rules and you should obey the traffic police. Okay. If he says stop, you have to stop. Okay. If you are not obey the traffic police, the police should come and what he will do? Police should come and put the fine for you. Okay. You should obey traffic police and police. Okay. Then you should obey traffic rules also. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Are you ready to do the activity?
Yes.
Okay. Come. You okay? Come.
Stop. Good. Stop. Where is your helmet? I don't have helmet. I put five. Come with me.
If you don't wear helmet, police will come and put fine for you. Okay. You should wear helmet while driving. Okay, dears?
Stop. Friends, you should not play on the road. Friends, see the breaker.
My dears, you should watch the speed breaker. You should go slow on the speed breaker. Okay. Say to me.
Come right side. You should park here.
We should park the vehicle near the parking sign. Okay, dears? Okay.
Don't stop here.
Listen, dears. You should not park the vehicle in no parking. You should park the vehicle in parking only. Okay, dears? Okay.
Turn left. Stop. Don't use mobile phone. I put five for you.
You should not use mobile phone while driving. Otherwise, police and traffic police will put fine for you. Okay, you should not.
Stop. You should not walk on the road.
First.
On the pavement. Stop. Ready. Go. Okay, dears. Then, while driving, you have to use mobile phone? No.
Okay, where you have to park the vehicle? In parking or no parking?
Parking.
You should park the vehicle in parking. Okay. In school zone, you have to go fast or go slow?
No.
You have to go slow. Okay, whether you have to play in road?
No.
Where you have to play? You have to play in playground. You should not play